Okay, this is a 2022 Harley Road Glide. Belongs to my wife's nephew. We're gonna be putting in a set of speakers and an amplifier. So let's get started on this and see how it goes. First time working on one of these, so hopefully everything goes well. He's added all kinds of LEDs to this, so we got to figure that out too. And there's your shield. There it goes. Alright. There's a couple of clips. Stays. Like I said, somebody else did some wiring on this already. I don't know what I'm getting into. What I'm taking off are these little air diffusers here. It's a T25 Torx on both of these. Ta-da! Now this is a 3/16 Allen or hex key for the light. That's still attached. There's one on the other side. To take the speaker grills off, just take a pick tool. If you have one with a hook, that'll work as well. Just be careful. Get it down inside one of the holes and just lift up and work your way around. Well, this one's being stubborn. It's got a clip right up here in this corner. There it goes. See, got these two clips and then Got little rubber and plastic tab, a rubber seal. Make sure you push the rubber seal back down. And ditto on the other side. Alright, got a couple more Torx. Looks like that Torx is going to be right here. You got one on each side. That may be a 27. Let's try it. Yep, it is a 27. Alright, now, doing this by yourself can be a little tricky. This one's loose. I've taken the screw out. Make sure when you do this, you hold on to this because you don't want this falling. So we're going to undo that one. Undo this clip. And let's see, oh, we got one more clip. There it goes. Very interesting. All right, set this aside. Okay, I need to take the headlight out because the bracket I have to install goes below the radio, which is right here. Wow, that was tight. That's because it had Loctite on it. Ah, okay. Well. Alright, let's take the antenna off. It looks like we have a couple of plugs for the light back here. Ooh. Okay. Whoever did this job is fired. I've been doing stereo installs most of my life. This right here is a T-tap, and that is an absolute no-no. You don't use T-taps, people. Please, please don't use T-taps. If you ever try to chase down a problem because of a T-tap, you'll understand why. Alright, and the light is out. What a mess of wiring. He also said that the people that did this out at our local rot rally did this, and he said there's a rat's nest under the seat, which we'll see. He asked me to clean up some of the wiring. The bracket that I have to mount the amplifier is this right here. I got it off of Amazon. It was like $36 or something. It mounts, the amplifier will actually mount upside down. This mounts to a bracket that's in here. Let's see if we can figure out where it goes. Let's move some wiring out of the way. There's two holes. One right here and one right here, and it's matching on the other side. The bracket goes, I'm not sure which direction it goes yet because there's no instructions with it, but it's gonna slide up in here like so. Alright, maybe that ain't the direction. Let's try it this way. Let me go get a new light. Okay, let's try this. I got a little light now. Anyway, bracket goes in here. Doesn't look easy to get to the bolts, but they go in on the outside of this bracket. One here, one back here, one here, and one here. I'm not going to bolt them in yet because I don't have the amp installed. I don't have the wiring harness here. It's supposed to be arriving by FedEx today. I'm just seeing if I can get an early start. Now, I guess that is it for up front for the moment. Let's see if we can get the seat off, get the tank off, and see what kind of mess they've made back there. Okay, sometimes you gotta make it longer.